Topic: The importance of communication skills. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly significant, and indispensable topic: the importance of communication skills. Communication is the process of expressing thoughts, emotions, ideas, and information. It is one of the most essential skills required in personal, academic, and professional life. A person may possess great knowledge and talent, but without proper communication in today's competitive world, communication has become more important than ever before. Whether it is a job interview, a business meeting, or social interaction, effective communication creates confidence and clarity. It helps individuals build relationships, solve problems, and influence others positively. One of the greatest advantages of communication skills is that they improve self-confidence. People who can express themselves clearly often feel more comfortable in public situations. Good communication removes hesitation and creates a more professional personality. Moreover, communication strengthens relationships. Misunderstandings usually arise due to poor communication. Honest and respectful conversation builds trust and emotional connection among people. This creates a more harmonious and understanding society. Communication skills are also extremely important in leadership. Great leaders inspire people through powerful communication. They motivate teams, share visions, and guide others during difficult situations. Without effective communication, leadership becomes weak and ineffective. In education as well, communication plays a vital role. Students who communicate confidently can participate actively in discussions, presentations, and interviews. Such students often perform better academically and socially. Communication also improves listening skills, which are equally important for learning and understanding others. However, modern technology has changed communication patterns significantly. Social media and digital platforms have made communication faster, but sometimes less meaningful. Many people spend more time texting online rather than engaging in face-to-face conversations. This creates a socially isolated environment and weakens emotional connection. Another important aspect of communication is body language. Facial expressions, eye contact, and gestures often communicate more than words. Positive body language creates trust and confidence, while negative expressions may create misunderstanding. Effective communication also helps in conflict resolution. Calm and respectful discussion can solve many problems peacefully.